Anyway, I want to have this button opening a model view to let the user to do multiple stuff, and I'm going to share them with you in this to-do list. Yes, I hope you're seeing. Yeah, I changed a bit the resolution of my screen for you to be able to read more. For you to be easy, for it to be easier to read. And this is not working. Why I cannot? This fucking Electron app are a nightmare with the shortcuts. So the native shortcuts are not working. Anyway, meditation app. So the design of the setting view will allow the user to preset the timer. So what the user is saying here is presetted with this setting view. I want to add the health support for read and write. Read, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to read, but the write part, I want this to be recorded on the health app for the mindful, on health on iOS, you can have a mindful moment and it's recording and everything. So I want this app to be part of it. A dedicated health view, I have no clue what I'm going to do with that. It's more or less something that's a reading part of the health support to allow the user to see more the historical session he had. I'm not sure it's adding any value, so I'm not sure I'm going to do it. A streak or get motivated rewarded section means I think it's really important for the user, and it's important for me actually. I don't know for other people to be able to see what you did, what you achieve, and achieved. Sorry, and I think it's motivating when you see what you did before, how regular you are with your meditation. I'm struggling a lot with that, so I hope. I hope. It's not I hope. I want to have this kind of feature to reward people. So the streak is more like the streak app actually, if you know it. To know how many days you did, more or less. It's something. How many sessions? So meaning how many days you did, and maybe some minutes. I have no clue. Because I think it could be interesting to have like the total meditated. I'm thinking out loud because maybe it's interesting to see how many time you meditating a week, a month, and a year. Could be nice actually. Let me think about this later. Another section for Siri saying, hey Siri, start the 20 minutes timer. It's opening the app and triggering immediately the timer, something like this. I think the 20 minutes can be part of the invocation as a variable. So it means that I can let the user select how much time he wants to meditate without setting anything, just by the voice. I hope it's possible. I think it's possible. An about section about myself and who I am and support and all this stuff. Privacy, saying that I'm not tracking anything basically. And of course, a lovely footer made with love in Amsterdam, because I love this. I like this. I think it's nice to see where the developer is coming from. I'm not planning yet to release the app, but it will be there if I'm doing it. Or if I'm letting it, maybe I will put it open source on GitHub. I have no clue. I'm not sure it's adding any value to anyone, but I don't know. Anyway, this is what I want to design today. And for the development part, I want to at least to have these two tasks done. Haptic feedback is like a seconds to do it, so it's nothing. And the button setting, opening a model. I did it already for Shubi, so I'm going to more or less reuse the same way on this app. And I'm thinking that I'm going to start with this because I like this. So where is my main view? It's this one, right? Yes. So we have a Z stack here. What am I doing? Because if I'm putting a view above this one, let's check this because I have no clue. So I need to create here a new view called no. What am I doing? Do I need to create a specific view file? Not view, but file for just a button. Let me check what I did before with Shubi because I don't remember. Shubi, I have a button view and the menu view here with some other stuff. So I'm going to do the same. So, except that I'm going to call this, where is it? So new view, I'm going to call this settings button. Button, I don't remember how to write button. That's good, Jeremy. This is starting well. There's 2T on button, right? The fuck, Jeremy? View. And I'm going to create another one called settings view. Yes. So what do we have? What I need to create a state, but show menu boolean and these two, yes. Private var. No, it doesn't. Cannot have show settings. Show settings view. It's a bool. I don't need to specify. I just need to say false. Okay. Then I'm going to comment this display this view. After I want to have haptic feedback. And this is really simple. I'm going to do this, and then I need to create a button here. I'm going to do it with this. I will have everything. Voilà, here we go. And the content will be an image system. Here we go. And for this, I need to know here. Come on. And this one looks nice. Here we go. And I want this to view to be displayed on the, not this one. This I want to do it to have it here. Setting view button is there, and the main view is this one. Settings button view. Here we go. Let's check the preview of this. There is no music anymore. What? Alors, we have our view in black of course, in dark mode I guess. No, dark mode there. Okay. So it's pinned, so it means that I can go. I can go here. So I want this to be on the top here. Same trick than before. I'm going to put this in the VStack. with a spacer on the bottom of it. Do the trick, yes. And this should be in an edge stack. Oh, I'm going to do this. I don't know if it's the right way to do this. There is probably other ways, but to be honest, I want a padding on the right. It's not this. This doesn't work. Edge set doesn't. Okay, I forgot. Ah, trailing. And I can specify something like this, right? Yes. Now I'm going to check here. First, vectorize this 24. I think I had 28 for everything before, right? To do this 24, 28 doesn't matter actually. Okay, we have this. Here I want to change the size of it. Am I scaling it up or every time I'm cutting this? Exactly. I want to add this, but it will be 44. No, it's not 44. Yes, it's not 44. 28. And that's it. Try again. What did I miss? Yes. In the foreground. Main color. Is it main color? No, it's not the main color. It's a second. Forgot. Sky view. That's the same color. Shapes color. Here we go. Good. So let's run this and see if the button is active or not. Yes, it is. Can I still click on this? Yes. I can do this. Perfect. And this should be displayed only when the timer is not running, right? So to know what to do there, who was there? We never know. Anyway, so I was planning to add some music, right? Let's do this. So we were listening to this. What do we have? Economical tutorial. Heavyweight. Winter sport. I listened to the Black History Month. It's not my cup of tea. Well, we can hear. Some are good and some are not so good. All the Afrobeat beats one are okay, but the mainstream hip hop and all this stuff, and I don't like when it's singing actually. So let's find something else. Study beats. Maybe it's a good idea. This one. Missing something to filter song with. Ah, this one is probably with people singing and the other one are not. Well, let's try this and we'll see in a minute. Sorry. Whoop. Here we go. So I have this and I want to display this. I think I'm going to do it like the sky view. So the sky view is there, and what is deciding? I'm going to use this setting button view. So if my timer is started, I want an empty view, else I'm displaying this. All right, let's try. I guess it's going to work. Amazing. So we have our button. I think I'm going to commit this. Adding settings view. The settings button. No model. Oh, doesn't matter. Okay. Now I want to open the model view. So what I did before. So the show menu should toggle. Xcode should do that. I don't want any sound for now. And my button here. So this should work, except that it's not show menu, but show setting view. Settings view, sorry. Oh, I don't need to have any comment for this. So this is good. And it's exactly what I need. Whoa. So that's not menu view, but settings view. Don't have any store manager. I don't have. Whoa. Okay, and I have my timer. This is show. Settings view. So this should trigger my model view. Here we go. So we have the model view, an empty one, but it's working. Okay. Let me check something else. I forgot. I want to see if I can click. Yeah. So the zone is really 44 square around the button. That's exactly what I wanted, to not have to exactly tap on the picture to trigger it. That's okay. That's really easy on SwiftUI to do this, and we should all doing this for accessibility reasons. Not have to have a big finger to be able to tap on a button. Voila, we have our model view ready to be used. Sorry. Mode adding display settings model view. Okay, so we are good for that, and I'm going to stop this for now. To know what I'm going to code, I need to design it, right? Here we go, we have this. Okay. Settings light. Settings dark. So the good question for me is, what color am I going to use for the background? Because right now I have no clue. I don't know, actually. Now let me check, because I think we have something on the Apple iOS library ready to use for a model stack. Yes, exactly. Something like this. So I'm going to detach it completely, because I don't need half of what's there. I don't want the title, I don't want the button, and I don't want this button either. So I have this, it's okay. I need to add the status bar and this. Yes. Why my status bar is invisible? Of course, it should be like this. Okay. Here we go. And before to remove this, I should have changed it. No, it's okay. I'm just thinking that for the dark mode I will have to redo everything, but no, it will be okay. I don't want this small divider here. Yes, here we go. Okay, so we have this. So what? First, what color do I have set it already? Ah, this gradient should be nice, right? Could be nice, not should be. Could be nice, but I'm not sure because I need to write with these colors on it. And right now this is used without anything. Ah, no, it's working. Even in dark mode, actually. I was more wondering if this color looks better, I guess. Let's give it a try. Okay, and the model view here. I don't want any. Yes. And on this one, it will be a darker version of this one, right? Yes, it is. Maybe if I'm doing this, yes. Good. Good. Make me think about this little icon here. Oh, no, sorry. So the code name for the app is Zafu. Zafu is a small, for people who didn't see the first episode, it's the name of the small not coffin, but every time I'm losing this word. Oh, I forgot. But I'm going to show you one, it will be easier. Zafu. Like this. No, not Zaful. Here we go. Zafu are this stuff. Used for meditation most of the time. Yeah, cushion. That's the word, cushion. But this kind of stuff, but I try to design like an icon with it. If you watch, you can see it on the first or second design and code session. I don't remember, but it's not really fitting as an app icon. It's not working well. So I used like a small stuff, light. We'll see for now because I'm planning. That's something I forgot to put on the to-do list actually. Is a custom. Up. I don't. I cannot. Icon. Here we go. So I want also to have a settings, a dedicated setting for this, and it means that at some point I will design more of these multiple colors, different probably shapes. We'll see what I'm going to do with that. But I like the user to be able to use whatever icon he wants, or she wants, or they want. Even if we can now use shortcuts, the shortcuts app to use whatever shape we want to trigger an app. I think I still do think for now, at least until iOS 14 for now. I think it's adding value to let the user select from the app a different app icon. And I guess it's even more efficient to trigger the app and less resource consuming to not have to use shortcuts. I don't know how it's working exactly. So anyway, I don't want any shadow for it, and I'm going to use the main color. Where is the main color? This one. I'm going to do this like this. I'm going to write. Yes. Can I write something? Yes. Zafu here, not in Bibas, but in New York. Extra large? Let's try extra large. Extra large. I want this in blue also. And something like this. Okay. That's nice. For a small logo created in 5 seconds. Let's do this like this. That's a nice one. I'm going to call this group logo and exportable in PDF format. Up. And we are good. I've imported from Shubi Design this little guy. For the footer, I will just have to change colors of it. And now I'm going to pick up the iOS one and I want to use the system red. Yes, perfect. This I'm going to use my main color. And this one too. So that's working. I'm not sure. Let me test something. because everything is bold, so if I'm doing too much difference after, it's too many typo on one screen. Now I need to trick a bit the centering. One. So this is the middle. Oh, it was okay. How it looks. Okay, maybe a bit more space. Here we go. And then I need to create sections like this one. Oh, let's pick up everything actually. Here we go. Oh, it's looking great without changing anything. Yes, I like it. Maybe we need to adjust a bit the colors to have them like really visible, but oh, this is not working. Text disable. What's the code for the... no, because it's going to be almost invisible. Let me check this. First, it's not unit, but I said we want to have presets. And I have two buttons. So we have two buttons. All of them are, both of them should have presets. And then the health support. But the health support is triggering a model view to a system view. No. I don't know what to use for as controller to... No, I don't. Timer. Here will be first button. Okay, so this one we have it. Privacy, I'm going to hide it. Header is there. About. Okay. And my divider for, I will have to have it here. Now this is first. What is this? Okay. And okay. The divider is 82. Layers. Yeah. You can stop to add copy on everything. I don't understand why it's by default, because it's crazy annoying. About is there. Maybe something like this. This first button is first timer. Primary timer. Second timer. This is, oh, secondary timer. Okay. What should I use to represent a button? For this, I'm looking for SF symbols. Thank you. Objects and tools. Maybe I can use the time. Ouais, but and the timer is this one. Oh, let's try this actually. Ah, maybe. Looks nice. Heavy, it's maybe too heavy. Maybe bold will be enough. Yes, bold is enough. What's the size of it? 20. I think it's not enough. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to duplicate this here. So that's all that's only this. We just need to have this. Primary timer, secondary timer. Instead of a toggle, I should have a chevron. Right? I'm going to keep it, but hidden somewhere. This. And my chevron. Let me check because I don't remember the control tables, row, regular, light, button, center, paper default, I guess. Yes. So this is the default one, the system size, and the chevron is going like this. Okay. And what I'm going to do is to pick up the chevron from it actually. Write details, make local. No, detach, sorry. Ah, no. Disclosure. Okay, so you can go away. Yeah, but it's not. Well, anyway. Where is the chevron? Why? So the chevron should be in the middle of this. Here we go. I don't like at all the color used for it, so I'm going to overwrite this. I'm going even to not rasterize, but vectorize it. I want my text light, but with less opacity, something like this, right? Make me think that my header section should use the same color. Right. Oh, it's a bit too dark. Ah, yeah, but if it's darker, it means that I can keep the same effect that I had because I liked it before. Yes, it's better like this. Yeah. Switch on farewell. I'm duplicating this here. And you here, you are going to be in the middle of this. Here we go. Okay. Let's do the same here. Okay. And the dividers, if I'm well, is going to the end. Thank you. So I have a secondary view. I will have a secondary view here to select how long. Maybe I should display. I think it's better to display the time actually. I think there is some table view. I'm going to try to set where are the tables row regular light. There is some of the descriptions, right? Yes, subtitles. Make me think I have a symbol here that is not used. Okay. Can you go away? Yes. Let's keep it like it was. It's enough. Okay. Make me think that this is no longer fitting. This should be New York too. Yeah. To fit the style, I'm going to do the same for every button. Here we go, and I want it, yes, semi-bold. The default size looks small, huh? It's maybe because my icons are too big on the side. Earth section. What else? What else? What else? Oh, this is a setting section. I'm going to call this I don't know. Maybe I should start with the streak, right? Makes more sense. Yeah. I'm going to keep it like this and this. I'm looking for a title. Something like performance, but it's not fitting with the mindset of meditation. It's not a performance you're doing. It's more a reward, or just look for a synonym of performance. Synonyms. What is this website? Putain. Achievement is nice. Fulfillment also is... Fulfillment is nice also. I think achievement is quite clear. But fulfillment is when you're already engaged to do something or committed to do something. Committed is also nice. Achievement, let's use achievement for now. So by achievements, I mean... So we need 3 rows. Or this week is nice. New York. Maybe I should just use the this week, means the current week or the last week. Weekly, monthly. Weekly and monthly. And something like really simple, using the same one than here. A bit too big, right? Here we go. Monthly average. I think it's nice. Something that I would like to see too, so it's good. Maybe something like this. 65. And what if I'm doing a small divider here? exactly in the middle of it. Go. Something like this. I just need to write minutes in light or regular, and I don't need, 40 is enough. What's the size of it? That's not good, guys. This should be 17. Okay. So this should go a bit like this, and I can over 40 is okay. And this is not 14 but 13. That's the default sizes, I mean. Not on iOS is 13. This is not existing, I think it's custom. I don't remember the large title sized. And this is a body size. The default one, I mean. $16 and you also 16. Well, I will maybe change this to not have some compact areas. Already packed areas, I mean. I guess this. What if I'm doing this like this? Oh. And I think it's too big, the body size, so I'm going to use the 13 too. Yes. It's looking better. Okay, and we have our stuff here. Nice. It's going to be interesting to transform this as code. 30 minutes, 30 points, sorry. We have something there, okay? Achievements is not written like this, right? Yeah. I'm going too fast. Personal achievements. Achievements is okay. This is the settings for the timer. This is the settings for health. So what do I need to do? I need to create something like this called health. I'm going to call it, no. For me it will be health kit. I never used it, so it's going to be interesting. SF symbols, and for health it's usually represented with heart. Do they have an official one? I don't know, this one is too much. Maybe this? Oh, let's try, give it a try, because it's too different than the other one. What's the difference? I'm going to use this one. Oh no. Oh. Oh, these colors are long, right? Even the background, I'm just thinking about the background, it's the wrong one. These are should be colors and not This one. Okay. I have to think. Okay, this is going away. This small background should change with this color. And what if I'm doing the default? It's a bit too dark. Okay. This is too small. This is too big. 24, I guess. Usual. I think it's too big, 24 actually. 22, 20, 18. 18. Okay. I think I'm going to stay with this. Okay, divider is done. Health, we had just one section, right? Yeah, after it's Siri shortcuts and everything about privacy. Now what I'm going to do is to create a section called settings or system. Because we have, system is better. I will have this, I will have Siri shortcut here. Sorry for the noise. Shortcuts. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, this will be a small microphone. Go. And definitely not heavy. Okay. And after I will have to create other stuff for the about sections and everything, but the main style is there. We need to test this in dark mode. This is the achievement section. Right. This is Siri. Now stuff is well organized now. Let's duplicate everything for the dark mode here. This will have this color. Here we go. This model, where it? Yeah. It's everything is inverted. Seriously, this is so annoying. So annoying. I'm going to create a color variable called background dark. And this will be background light. It should do the trick, yes. Okay, perfect. My background here. And is it the mask or the... Here we go. The logo will be in dark. And these two. Here we go. This one is going to be tricky because I have no clue what am I going to use. Yeah, working. Let's try the black one for now. This. Why the colors are different? Shouldn't, right? Should be all the same colors here. Happening. Go. Okay, with that. Primary timer. It's working. Now the chevron. Like this. Okay, divider too. The divider was using a wrong color actually. Even here. I have them all now. So this is good. And now the elf. It's working well. It's working well. Okay. Dark. I have a coworker who is currently working on a plugin. I think I should try it actually. I didn't until now. For managing light and dark mode on Sketch. It's working well actually. For the last demo I've seen were really working well. And I should use it for to do this because you're setting your colors and the style is applied everywhere after automatically. I should use this maybe I should do a session actually about it. Could be nice, even with him actually. Okay, so we have our light mode and dark mode. Now let's build this because it's going to be interesting. I have no clue how to... this one, I mean... There is two ways to store this value. Using the old school user default. Or using core data. If I'm using core data, it means that it's sync with iCloud. It's probably a better idea actually. And it also means that I can access it or change it or from any devices linked to the account. And it's probably a good idea because I'm planning to, because this kind of app you can I don't know, have it even on your Apple TV. It makes sense. You're in the middle of living room and you want to have a meditation path. You're turning on your TV, or if the TV is even already turned on, sorry, you can have your meditation immediately. So it's probably a good idea also to do it in to store this on core data in iCloud. Ouais. I think I'm going to do this in this way. Logo dash dark, right? And Amsterdam dash dark. What else do we have to export? Nothing actually, because everything else will be the circle. I'm going to code it. Dividers, I'm going to code them. Made with love in Amsterdam will be SF symbols. Right, that's it. Where is my mouse? So Amsterdam dark. Here, is it a PDF? Yes. And the logo is here. Logo dark. Logo. And Amsterdam dark. Amsterdam light actually. Okay, so we have our stuff there. Small save. And I need to update my assets with these. Put them on the desktop, right? So let's select this and put this in assets. Good, except that dark shouldn't be there. This is. What the fuck? Oh. Sometimes I'm any dark and I have a single scale. So this is a light one. I want to add the dark one. Here we go. Same for the logo. No. This one. Here we go. We have logo, we have Amsterdam, we have everything. Am I missing something? I know. I think I'm good. Let's check if everything is in order here. Yes. Okay. Can delete this. And let's add some music. I can still wrap it off. Okay. Travel, transport, podcast, wedding. Wedding? Seriously? This This is ASMR. Epic Gaming, I did it. This we listen to it. Well, let's try this one. Oh no, too much voice here. Dreamy Gaming. Let's do it. Here we go. Here we go. I'm really alone today. That's funny because I'm trying to catch people from my social networks, but it's not working. But I guess it's not the same people. They are not the same people. So until nothing is happening on Twitch, I guess nothing will happen on this stream. On the Twitch side, meaning the algorithm of Twitch pushing me on the front page. Or someone finding me by luck. I guess I need to be patient. Like everyone, actually. So I have my setting view. Where is my settings view? It disappeared. And in view, I'm going to create a group called settings view. Background colors. That's it. I don't need anything else actually. I'm just going to copy this to update my assets here. Here I want to create a new color. I cannot do it. There we go. Called model background, and the model background is using sorry, this one for the light one. Okay. And the dark one will be this value. Up. Here we go. So, how am I changing the view, the color of a view? I think it's something. It's this. So instead of where is my menu view? Settings view, sorry. I'm lost again. So my settings view, thank you. Now I'm resuming this. I don't need this for now. I will have a Z stack and a color using model. No, not like this. Voila. Ignoring safe area. It's better like this, huh? Alors, that's not this. Like this? Seriously? discovering something with Swift UI every day. Look at this, just one stuff, and amazing. After, we need to have VStack with all the stuff, and I'm going to comment and main VStack, otherwise, and main come on. Here we go. So we are good. Here I'm going to create immediately the logo. And I think it's logo, actually. Yes, exactly. We are good. And I need to create my sections. Alors, to create my sections, I'm going to do it like this. Struct header section. They are a view. I need a var title. That's it, actually. Yeah. Var body, some view. I need the title. No, text. Thank you. With a title in it. And this will no, sorry, Jeremy, I need to create this stack, or yeah, I'm going to put this in another this stack. And what I want to achieve here is to have this title dynamic. The title will be dynamic, but this should do the full width. Geometry. Geo in tag. It's not geometry, but geometry reader. Something like this. This will have the frame. Come on. Of geo dot size dot width and the height of mean height, sorry. I don't think it's working. I always have an issue with the mean height. I don't understand. Okay. Mean height of this bug is a 20 point. Is it working? No, it doesn't want it. That's a bit annoying. I don't understand why the mean height is not working. Okay. This frame is like this, and I want a color. Main color, actually. Opacity, I think, is this one. Let me check. Yes. And this foreground color. For now, I'm going just to write white. So we have this. This is okay. I have this. So this is the logo. I'm going to write to comment everything. Background color. Logo. Oh, the logo is not here. Logo is here. Here I'm going to have my first section called achievement. Achievement section. I'm even going to create a mark. It's something like this mark, right? No, it's not. Every time. I did it for the timer view, right? Yes. Okay. Mark. And it's not working. Of course it's not working. Achievement section, we have it here. We will have later timer settings. We will have later the system, I think it is system section. Timer settings and others. And then I have my footer. Okay. The footer will be a VStack. I think I'm going to create a dedicated VStack for it. First, because this one is centered. Voila. With the text of it. And a picture called Amsterdam. Yes. Perfect. Let me just pick up. No, it's not working. And what if I'm removing this? Every time I need to look for it. Swift UI. Text, font, body, size. It means that I can do just body. No, it's not working. I'm going to do it manually. footer view. Ooh la la, sometimes I'm tired of myself. Art. Here we go. So we have our footer, we have our Made with Love in Amsterdam. But Made with Love with Amsterdam is not written in body actually. Yes. Dang shit. Okay. And I think it should have a vertical padding. Yes. Like this. We have our footer. Let's create our first section. So I have a header section with a title called Achievement. Okay. So this is good, but this is not good. Jeremy. Background should be first, of course. Yes. And how did I design this? So here it's white, and here I need to create a color actually. Primary color, gradient color, specific text, specific colors. Headers. Oh, header colors. Is a color called header color. Let's create another color here. Header color. It doesn't look like a color. Yes. No. Come on. Okay. So in white, in light mode it's white, right? Yes. And in dark mode it's oh, I used the black one. I'm going to do this. I will maybe change this later, but for now it will be like this. Header color, so we have our header color. Okay, this is not specified, or no, it is. Settings view. And this is header colors. Okay. No. This one is the default heavy. Font, it's a headline, I think. It's heavy. It's like this. And why? And I'm going to add a smap. I'm going to do this like this to have a proper spacing. Alors, it shouldn't be an Haptic with a padding horizontal. And it's uppercased. Every time, every fucking time. Where did I put an uppercase stuff? I did it right here somewhere, no? This way, text case, uppercase. Okay. So our sections are quite of okay. Do we have enough space here? Ouais. So this is okay. Timers. No, I didn't call these timers, right? I see timer. Then system, and then others. Here we go. Let me check. There is something that I forgot. Something quite important. This should be scrollable, right? Let's have a look first. But I need to add this as a scroll view, not as a... Oh, it's working well. This one. My logo looks big packed on the top. Okay. I'm going to put this in another VStack to manage manually the padding vertical, sorry. Padding vertical. Thank you. Let's give it a try. Yes. Up. Okay, so we want this to be scrollable. What is scrollable? It's the entire VStack. This stack? No, because the logo shouldn't be scrollable. Only this should be in a VStack, in a scroll view. Scroll view. Then we have really nice music. This scroll view is only scrollable or vertical. Yes. Let's try this. Yeah, but I should create content, otherwise I won't be able to create. See, it's working. And it's performing well. Good. Can I specify the space inside the line spacing? Is it working? Let's try this. No. No, I don't want this. It's using view builder to do it. No, I don't want this. I want to keep it simple, as simple. So I'm going to do it in this way, and that's it. Otherwise, I will put this in a VStack with an internal spacing. Maybe I should do it actually immediately. Well, maybe it's a good idea to try it now. Spacing 10 point. Let's build this. Yeah. So it's no longer overlapping to each other. I think that's a mean height here that it's... Why? Extra argument? I don't understand this. I cannot have a... Let's do it this way. So this is done. No. I'm going to commit this. So we have here, what do we have? We have our all setting views is now done. So I'm going to... Wait, I'm going to commit things in a different way. So first the colors. Adding settings, color, asset. This is basic setting view structure. Okay, starting to look at something. It's 4 o'clock, I'm streaming for 2 hours now. What am I doing? Let me check what we have to do here. I'm going to create this. New file, header section, view. Alors, where the header section view is this one. Okay. Meaning I need to change this. So we have it now. And here I should be able to title. Okay. So this is done. I'm going to extract also the footer view. What's the name of the footer view? Footer view. Okay, so it's going to be easier because it means that I won't have to rename anything. Does is working? Yes, it is. Okay. It's a bit refactored, it's better. And here I want to create my achievement section. Achievements. Achievements. Section. Okay. So on this one is going to, we are going to have two stuff. Bar weekly achievement. No, average. It's going to be an integer. And then we have our monthly average, and it's also an integer. Okay. Here we will have a vstack as usual. This vstack will be centered, and this vstack will be of the size of the screen. Geo in like this. Otherwise my centering will be fucked up again. .6. It's a double, it's not an integer. Double. Okay. So we have this now, and it means that I have to create a weekly average, monthly average, minutes, and the content. So everything will be in each stack. Centered. No, top. And I have a vstack for all of them. Okay. It means that here we have the weekly. Here we have the monthly. Here I will have my text. Maybe I should. Let's keep it simple. Because I can create a subview also for this one. Maybe it's a good idea. Maybe it's a good idea because it means that I can struct achievement. Oh fuck. Data view. I have the var. So I have just two kinds. So am I? Well, var is weekly. Cool. By default, it's false. Var data. It's a double. And that's it. Var body. Text. No, vstack, sorry. This vstack is centered. It's displaying the title. Okay. And it's weekly average. Oh la la la, average. Oh, average. Here we go. So this means that if it's weekly, I'm displaying weekly average, otherwise it's monthly average, okay? So this is the title, kind of, and after we have the data. The data is data, but I need to. There we go. And after I have the unit. And our unit are always minutes. Right? Yes. So weekly average. And this will be the weekly average. Yes. Let's do this also here. Achievement data view is weekly false. But do I need to? No, I don't need to do it because it's already specified by default. Monthly average. Here we go. Should be able to see something here, right? Alors, I have no clue. I don't remember how to set this to not have all these numbers here. I should probably start with it. Swift UI double truncate truncate double value. I don't want two decimals, but I just want one. Why, that's every time I need to do it to look for it, I forgot. And I guess it's something basic that I should learn actually. Data. Yes, it's working. Here we go. Oh, this is not centered. Can you tell me why? Geo.size .width. Don't need. Maybe I learn my align. Oh là 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 là. This. And it's 13. And everything will use the main color. Here we go. It's not using the main color, right? Why? It's a bit annoying. I know it's using it. But I'm going to check this one. I just have one data? What the fuck? It's this one. Here we go. For now, this will be 1.2 and 2.3. Okay. And we still have something that's not working. No. Jeremy. That's interesting. That's interesting because the height of the view is no longer. Why? It's because of this. No. Bon, let's keep it. Alors, this is pinned, so that's perfect. I can edit this. What the fuck is the music we are currently listening to? That's really bad. That's really, really bad. That's not going to be possible, guys. Music for pets. Oof, oof. The size of the data is... No, thank you. The size of the data is 40. Okay, and it's not bold, but heavy. I think it's the same for the weekly average. Ouais. Heavy. I'm going to pick up this one actually. Okay. AV40. Okay, good. Alors, why? No, I'm going. Oh, ouais. Dot padding. Oh, it's not here, it's here. Spacing 20 between every column should work, right? Right. What if I'm removing this? Yeah, I don't need a geometry reader actually. I have one on the top, so it should align everything, yes. That's what I mean. Oh, I have the feeling that the colors are wrong, but it looks it's there, right? That's weird. It looks a bit small. Smaller than... No, it's the same actually. And we have a divider. We have a divider here. Can we do this? Yes. No, because it's a H stack, it means that the divider is there. Wow. Right? Yes, it is. But we have our divider here. Well, it's a bit hacky, but front color and color. Is it working? No. It's probably fill color. Every time I'm looking for the fill. And the auto-completion doesn't work at all with that. Oh, I'm going to look for the third color. It's background. I'm going to keep it like this. Ah, now we have a color. Ah, fuck. Ouais, it's working. And opacity of 0.3. No, 15, I think it is. I'm going to run this. And this kind of personal stuff makes me think that I'm gonna be done for today. It's really looking good, huh? I'm really happy about it. Amazing. I'm really happy. I'm going to try something. The building over the air is sometimes it's working, sometimes you don't know. It looks that it's working. Let's check. Sorry. You can see it, right? It's working. Amazing. Maybe I should. Sorry, I should have. I should have done this before. So we have our. Come on, check the focus. Here we go. Nice. My scroll view is working. I am happy. That's good for today, guys. We did more than I was planning to. So we have our button setting, our haptic feedback. Fuck, I forgot to check if the haptic feedback was working. Yes, it's working. Good. And we have our model view. So next time, let me check the optional stuff at the end of the list. Can you see it like this? Yes. So it means we have our settings timer section, settings view model for the timer. Should probably start with it actually. We have our settings system health, settings icon, settings others. Wow, about privacy. This one will be in March. And also the timer actually. And this also, I will do it next month. CI kit and health kit. So everything like this, I guess, will be in March. Not the UI part, but the view model part, and all the model actually, everything else. I'm not expecting this to. I'm not expecting me to be able to do this month. I think it's concluding. It's the conclusion for today. Achievement section, sorry, because this data will come from health kit anyway. No, I talked about core data before. Settings, core data for achievements. And I guess this will be in March. Let's not put too much pressure on us. I don't have any timeline. No need to rush. Let's do it properly and with joy. That's concluding this stream for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you're watching the replay on YouTube, please give it a thumb. You can subscribe also on YouTube. You can follow the Twitch channel. I hope to see you next time live, because I was alone today. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.